Remove last three characters of a string. I'm trying to remove the last three characters from a string in Python. I don't know what these characters are, so I can't use restrip. I also need to remove any white space and convert to uppercase. An example would be, E. This works and gives me BS12, which is what I want. However, if the last fourth and third characters are the same, I lose both. For example, if foo equals BS11 I just get BS. Examples of foo could be: the string could be 6 or 7 characters and I need to drop the last 3, assuming no white space.
Removing any and all white space. Removing last 3 characters. Converting to capital letters. All of that code in one line.
It doesn't work as you expect because strip is character-based. You need to do this instead.
You might have misunderstood rstrip slightly. It strips not a string but any character in the string you specify. Like this. So instead, just use after replacing white space with nothing.
Consider